The news headline: Deadly 6.2 magnitude earthquake hits Indonesia's Sulawesi island. Several people have died and over 600 are injured after a powerful quake damaged buildings. A large number of people are believed to be trapped under rubble. An earthquake struck Indonesia's Sulawesi island early on Friday morning, leaving at least 34 people dead and injuring over 600 others. The head of local disaster mitigation agency, Ali Rahman, told AFP that the latest information we have is that 26 people are dead in Mamuju city. The National Disaster Agency said that a further 8 people had died to the south of the city. Many buildings were damaged. 2 hospitals and the building that houses the provincial government offices collapsed, said Muhammad Idris, secretary to the governor on national television. A large number of people are trapped under the rubble, officials said. The epicenter of the 6.2 magnitude quake was 6 kilometers, that's 3.73 miles northeast of Mamuju city, and measured at a depth of 18 kilometers. Thousands of people left their homes when the quake hit. They were evacuated to temporary shelters. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe.